Yo, what's goody? Back at it, man, with another one where I had a Hat Whisperer. What was Marvin's name? Forgot the other one. We got 3 Johnny Capia. Forgot about that one. We got 3 more, 3 quick ones, man. What you doing? You see the dog? Uh-oh. What you doing? About to kill something? About to hurt something? Come on, I'm in the middle of a video, man. Don't mess up my video. Get out of here before you get before I get you. Yo, we got 3 boxes to open up. All from actually, what's this? Lids, FansEdge, and Lids. Yo. Go over there. Go over there. Messing up my video, man. She a killer. You wanna come sit up here? Come here. Come on. Come on. Up. Come on. That's my little killer right there. Hey, she in the video with me today. Alright. Quick ones. Yo, Ginge, you go, say what's up. Say what's up to the people. Put your head up. Say what's up, y'all. See that? You saw that, right? It's all Knicks flavor today. In there. Knicks joint. You know what I mean? Something simple, but I like that. I needed that just plain black and white joint. I like that. You know what I mean? I needed that one. And then, ooh, okay. It's the NY joint with the Knicks logo on the background, straight white and black joint. You know what I mean? That's fire. Something light, you know what I mean? It ain't, these ain't crazy. These ain't the crazy ones I be pulling out, but, you know what I mean? Gotta add this to the Knicks collection, you know what I'm saying? And then, I needed this one for a couple years now. I decided to get it, you know what I mean? I didn't want to get it before because we was doing horrible. So I'm like, the Knicks joint with the logo upside down is just, it's bad juju. You know what I mean? But now we alright. Actually, we alright right now. You know what I mean? But we doing way better. We ain't the worst team in the damn league. So, I like that. That's different. That's something you gotta add to the collection. You know what I mean? I needed to add that to the collection. So, that's one box. Second box from FansEdge. Let's see what we working with. This one is kind of fire though. That is fire. FansEdge one. Got a couple in here too. Oh baby. Oh baby. That's beautiful. What's that? Another one. Knicks joint with the Rose. Add to my Rose collection. You know what I mean? 2-time champs. Got the 2. Ooh. Got the Knicks patch on there. Knicks patch on there. Regular Batterman joint. This is pretty. This gonna be a Knicks episode right now. That's fine. That's fine. This might turn into a Knicks episode right now. Next one. New York Mets joint. That's fire with the See, I got the silver foams with the orange, blue, and purple on the bottom. So I got these. I think I might custom this and turn a little bit of that white into purple. You know what I mean, for them foams. You know what I mean? Oh baby, another one. That's me. This a light batch right here. This a light batch. You know what I mean? They still fire. You know, I pull out them Fuegos, and then bang. I needed this one. I needed just the black top with the blue brim. I mean, this kind of classic one. I needed this for a while. I couldn't find it for a while, so I needed to add that in there. So boom, and then one more. What you hearing about? This one from Lids. Lids one. What's good? Y'all checking up on these videos, man? Y'all better be tuning into these videos. What's this? Yo, chill out, bro. Oh, you got a cat up there. Ooh, you see that? Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. Yo. Here go another couple. These is, ooh. Oh. Yo, I got these a couple months ago. See that one? Red apple joint blacked out. This is fire. This is fire. The charcoal joint with the red bottom. Yup. Pull out heat, and then I needed this one. This is heat. This is heat. The charcoaled out Pirates. The yellow on there. Woo. Woo-wee. Ah, that's official. That's official. Okay. And then this one, another yank. Yo, this is kind of a New York thing going on right here. Oh, baby. Fuck. I forgot I had that. You know what? I'll pull this one out. Nah, I'll show y'all this one. The red Yankee joint with the olive trim, black joint, olive bottom. You know what I mean? Damn, these shit's been in the box too long, man. This is fire. Yeah, I know what it is. And then this one, so yo, I think I got this same hat. Yeah, I pulled out the I think one of my last videos. It was a 76er joint. You see that? You like that? Pirates joint. Then I pulled out the 76er joint with the reverse color on it. And I forgot I had this one. So yo, Stress Brown. These have matched them joints you got nicely, bro. I might have to toss this one to you. For a fee, though. Ah, this is fire, though. I don't know. I kind of like this now that I pulled it out. With the grill. You see him grilling? Huh? All right, that's it, man. Real something simple, man. Real quick one. You know what I mean? Throw that on. Y'all know what it is, man. There's a lot of Knicks things going on right here. You know what I'm saying? That upside down. That shit different. Y'all know what it is. Yeah, that shit different.